Today we're exploring the fairy tale town of Perast. Wander through its 17th century palaces, devour what local Montenegro people say is the best pizza in the country, tucked away on a little lakeside courtyard, and then we're going to uncover the tiny fisherman-built island full of mystery and wonder with a little church on there. Ready to go? Let's dive in.
So in the centre of the main square at Perast, you'll see the St Nicholas Church behind me. Really beautiful Renaissance architecture, and the symbol of the town really is this 50-foot bell tower, so you can't miss it. It's on all of like the postcards and things from here, right in the central square. So you'll have this as a bit of a maybe starting point or a meeting point, and then you'll just generally walk along the promenade and pick where you're going to eat.
And if you're hungry, you cannot miss this place. This was absolutely the best pizza I had in the whole of Montenegro. A lot of the locals were telling me about it, and we had to go and check it out. Do not miss here. Wow.
So we found another one of those ice cream places that we went to, the Moritz Ice. Gone for different flavours this time. Gone for the blackberries sorbet and the pineapple sorbet. This one is my favourite building here in Perast. Another one of the churches, which there's, I think there's at least 18 of these. So all the noble rich families that were here originally, like the Venetians, they would all have their own church. This one and a lot of the others have actually been converted into a hotel now, so we can't go inside this one. Some of them are a little bit abandoned and been left to go to ruin, but this one is really my favourite. I like the statues, I like the wing lion on it. Another piece of amazing architecture. One of the main things that people come to Perast for is to get a quick little boat tour over to one of the islands. Just a short 10-minute boat ride away, you've got Our Lady of the Rocks. It's a man-made island. The legend is that these fishermen would drop rocks, and eventually over a period of time it built up and created this false island, which there's now, it's still standing there now. We've got a church that's built on top of it. There's loads of boat operators around here. You'll see them walking up and down the promenade. You'll pay €5 per person return, and that's what we're waiting to do now. So come and check out Our Lady of the Rocks with us. So it's a beautiful little building here on the island, but as you can see, and as is often the case with many tourist places, very, very busy and a massive queue to get inside. So we're just contemplating whether we're actually going to do that or not, or whether we're just going to have a little wander around. What we'll say is that the town, Perast, from here looks amazing. It's a really nice view of it. You can see both the towers and it's a really good angle from over here. But yeah, quite a queue to get into the actual church itself. So that's the end of our very hot half a day in Perast. If you want to follow the rest of our Montenegro adventures, be sure to subscribe to our channel and please drop us a like.